need a pan like this one. យើងនឹងត្រូវការខ្ទះរបៀបនេះ 1 can of coconut milk ខ្ទិះដូង1កំប៉ុង 1 cup of rice អង្ករ1 កែវ sugar ស្ករ salt អំបិល green onion ស្លឹកខ្ទឹម rice flour ម្សៅសាយ glutinous flour ហើយនិងម្សៅត្នោត until the rice is cooked យើងនឹងយើងចូលអានកយយើងឲ្យខ្លាយទៅជាបបរ Okay, so my rice porridge has been cooking for about 30 minutes. I'll learn them about so now I'm just going to turn off the stove. And I'm just going to let this cool down. I'm going to put the coconut milk. But I'm going to remove about 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. This is for my dipping sauce. So now in go my coconut milk. Put in your rice flour. You get your masala side. Glutinous rice flour. Masala tanab. Butter and salt. Sugar. Hi, that's gone. And give this a good mix. You go with chip. Mix your flour very well. You're going to add in your rice porridge. You're going to continue to mix this. You go with. That's and then once you get this all mixed very well, you're going to add in your green onion. And then continue mixing. Okay, so this is your batter. Now we are going to cook it. And make sure your thing is hot. So mine is hot now, so I'm going to put 1/4 cup of the mixture. 1/4 cup. And you want your heat to be on medium. And you're going to cover this. Okay, so about 3 minutes. You're going to get a spoon. You're going to take one of it and put on top of the other. And you're more that below here. Just like that. Let's open it first. Nice and crispy, golden outside, cream, and then let me see the inside. Okay, the inside is, whoa, look at that. Nice and fluffy and soft. Your the salt, cheese. Oh, for my sauce, I put some coconut and some chili. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of this. Okay. Very good.